What's up, y'all? This is boy Eric, ERIC Eric. We're currently in Chengdu, China. It's only 300 kilometers away from Chongqing, and this is the capital city of pandas, capital city of LGBTQ group people. And we're going to launch our adventures and expedition in this beautiful city. Me and my cousin working inside of IFS, and we're trying to find a restaurant. It's 3 p.m. We have nothing today. We woke up extremely late, and I put a hoodie on because it's raining outside. I'm only going to stay like 3 days in Chengdu, but all 3 days gonna be raining, so I'm very unlucky. I chose the wrong time, but I'm ready here, so I cannot really change any decision. We're sitting at the table. It's Hong Kong food. It's Hong Kong cuisine. I think it's pretty expensive, especially in this luxurious mall. But my cousin's going to pay for me since he's studying in Chengdu. I'm the guest, so I'm going to eat until he's bankrupt. We have so many Hong Kong food on the table, and I think this food is so delicious because I don't need to pay. This person is paying everything for me. This is the pineapple bread, and we put butter inside of this pineapple bread.
When you bite into it, the heat from the bun starts to melt the butter, and you can get this amazing combination of crispy, soft, sweet, and salty all at once. That contrast between warm and cool is just perfect. This is just a simple but absolutely delicious snack. Pork isn't just cooked. It's been braised for hours until it's basically falling apart. That dark sauce has soaked right through into every single grain of rice underneath. It's just tender, delicious pork on the steamy rice.
The beverage I have is milk tea. It's hot milk tea. Because it's raining outside, it can give me some warmth and coziness. I feel so happy right now. I add some sugar inside because it's a little bit bitter. It's a little severe Hong Kong snack. It's called the 鸡蛋仔. It's called like, I think in English it's called egg baby, I think.
Seriously, it's so Moorish. You have one, then you cannot just simply stop at just one. It's the perfect snack.
And it can also taste the flavor of egg. I guess it's pretty healthy though. We're on the roof of IFS, and we're going to see the upper body of the panda that is hanging on the wall. Even though it's raining outside and it's a holiday, but a lot of people lining up want to take picture with panda in a very close distance. I want to go there, but it's very crowded. We have only limited amount of time. Even though this panda is made from material, like plastic material, but people still have very big obsession with this panda, and that's the reason why panda is like the national treasure and national animal in China. Welcome to Taiguli. Welcome to Taiguli. The water and the rain is pouring on our body like we're taking a shower outside. But we're still very happy walking in this beautiful street where tons of Chinese traditional buildings with Western famous luxurious brands. It's like a perfect combination. And we're encouraged to be ourselves in this city because this is the most pluralistic and most inclusive city in China. Even when you see two guys holding hands with each other walking the street, nobody's going to be judgmental. It's pretty normalized. and there's a lot of gay people, and we're never trying to discriminate them. But we have to be cautious about HIV, STDs, even though we're having fun, but we have to consider safety as the priority. My cousin and I walking a stray is called Love Stray. Even though he's a boy, I just want to emphasize love is love. Love should transcend races, genders, even species. Love is purely love, Love should never be limited by anything.
Welcome to Chengdu's New Century Global Center. Just look at this gigantic scale of this place. It's absolutely massive. From the outside, it feels like a saying from the future. But what's really inside a building this huge? I have no idea what to expect, but we're about to get in and find out. Let's go explore.
Can you guys imagine that I'm standing inside of a building? We're inside of this global mall, and it's like the most gigantic singular architecture in the world. They can even fit in a whole water park inside of this mall. I'm very shocked that there's like artificial sea and beach behind me. Unfortunately, it's about to enter in the season of winter, so it's not really available right now. But as I see those things inside of a mall, I'm still kind of flabbergasted. And the hotels around here, coconut tree are planted on both sides of this stray. It's very magnificent and stunning. And 5-star hotel is also next to this water park, provide a convenience for tourists to go to the water park to play and save their time, save their energy. If I had never told you guys I'm walking inside of a mall, you guys probably would never imagine that I'm walking inside, because I'm literally seems like walking outside next to the beach. Some of you guys probably think I'm in Hawaii or Thailand something. But in Chengdu, especially for people who are very busy, don't have time to go to a real beach to experience the vibe of the sea, or the vibe of coconut, the vibe of bikini, whatever, you can experience at this global mall. It's pretty convenient and also magnificent. You see the hotels behind me. Look at the decoration. It's literally the vibe of sea and the vibe of summer, right? What's up, everybody? I'm in front of SKP. It's like the most royal, luxurious mall in Chengdu, China. Just directly across to the global mall we have just visited. And the pillars behind me is the iconic landmark of this mall. It's definitely a must-visit mall. Let's get it inside. It's very chilling right now. I don't want to get sick. I'll see you guys inside the mall. Got it inside. You can literally smell the fragrance of perfumes and the fragrance of money. I think this is the mall that we should do window shop right here, because all the products and services are gigantically, tremendously expensive right here. A lot of luxurious brands most luxurious brands that I don't even know, because it's beyond my knowledge. But the decoration is very futuristic, and the character of richness and money. Good afternoon, everybody. Even though I say good afternoon to you guys, but actually I just woke up. I didn't sleep very well last night. It's not because I'm an nocturnal animal. It was because the wall of our hotel is not really soundproof, and my neighbor is snoring extremely loud. I'm heading to WenShu Monastery, a place where people usually go there to pray for something that they want to achieve. Even though I'm not really religious, I don't believe in Buddhism, but people from the internet say it's really going to work. So let's check out if it's true or not.
This is the WenShu Monastery, one of the oldest and the most peaceful Buddhist temples in the heart of Chengdu. Away from the city noise, it feels like a step back in time, and you can't miss these iconic red walls. They're a symbol of peace and a good fortune here. It's amazing to see how this place is a part of the people's lives. I even saw a newlywed couple taking their wedding photos here, starting their journey against this beautiful, timeless backdrop. And inside, you can feel the devotion, with the people quietly lining up to pray and to make their wishes. It's a truly special spot where history, faith, and the daily life all come together.
I'm standing on the corner of this monastery, and I got inside and I noticed everybody's so solemn, and I witnessed people, they burn their incense and trying to pray something they want to achieve. Actually, I had the intention to do exactly the same thing, but I realized it takes some sincerity to do that. Otherwise, it's kind of disrespectful to the God, to people who believe in Buddhism. I'm an atheist, so I think it's more appropriate that I'm not doing this. I cannot even speak loudly. Actually, I'm whispering. I don't want to affect other people while they're praying. So I think I should head to the next location.
Welcome to Kuanzhai Alley, or Wide and Narrow Alley. This is one of the Chengdu's most famous spots, a historic area full of life, where old Chengdu meets the new. Check this out. These living statues are incredible. Dressed like bronze figures, holding fans, staying perfectly still until you drop a coin, they come to life. Very cool street performance. Interesting to see how modern brands blend in here. Look at this Starbucks. It's built into the traditional courtyard. And this Hotpot store, it'll sell the same toys, but the style of the shop is totally different. It feels so classic and local. It's a really unique mix. You can really feel this is a place for photos. I even just saw an internet celebrity doing a full professional photo shoot right here on the street. Alright, after all that walking, it's time for the ultimate Chengdu experience. I'm going to find a spot to try ear cleaning. I'm a little nervous, but I have to do it. Wish me luck. The feeling was kinda strange. There's a tickling, scratching sensation that's a little bit painful, but at the same time, it's weirdly satisfying. It's like I went from hearing normally to having super hearing.
I'm at a restaurant to eat some Chengdu snack, and I have finished the earwax cleaning. It was kind of awesome, but it's like a little bit hard. And they say it's like 15 yuan, but eventually they charge me 68, so it's kind of scam, honestly. All of a sudden, I feel like kind of cold and very hungry. I just want to refuel my energy. And the first thing I'm going to try is tofu. Very soft, and they added some spiciness inside. Got back to the hotel. It was like so cold outside, and I found a place to eat this beautiful sweet. Damn. You guys can see it's kind of like a cotton, right? The sweet explosion that instantly melts in your mouth. Super fun, super sweet. And you guys definitely need to try this because it's very rare to see. I feel like I'm a spider right now. Like all the nets on my mouth.
再来一个，再来一个，
再来一个，滑了，我没滑。
太厉害了！
What's up, guys? For the next adventures, we're at this beautiful Anshun Lanqiao. This is actually the beautiful Lanqiao. Literally means covered bridge. And this bridge will take us all the way back to Qing Dynasty. Let's get on the bridge. We are climbing up. We're going to check what do they have on this bridge. This is definitely not an ordinary bridge. People say there's a lot of restaurants right here. So we come here to check out what they have.
What's really special is that this historical bridge is also home to a gorgeous, upscale restaurant. Imagine having a meal right here, suspended over the water, appreciating the city lights. It's not just painted red, this building. It's built in the classic Chinese pavilion style. You see the multiple tiers, the sweeping upturned roofs, and all these intricate details. It's designed to look like a traditional palace. I think it's time to say a real good night. Night night, guys. I'm about to sleep, and I'll see you guys at the Panda Base tomorrow. We're going to see some real pandas. Good night. In our post-industrial world, so many of us are caught in the race. We live our lives in noisy, bustling cities. We are constantly moving and constantly working. But sometimes, you need to step away from all that to reconnect with something simpler, something quieter. And that's why a place like this is so special. When you come here surrounded by nature, watching these ancient animals just exist, it forces you to slow down, to breathe. It's a chance to quiet the noise in your head and just be the present in the moment. It's more than just saying pandas. It's about finding a moment of peace.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today is our last day in Chengdu, China. And I'm currently at the Chengdu Research of Giant Panda Breeding. We're about to see some real pandas. I have seen some pandas on TV for so many times, but nothing beats real. Literally nothing beats real. And this place is basically the capital of panda of all over the world. And this is the capital of the place where we can see some fluffy, black and white national treasure animal in China. Let's get inside and check out.
Look at this little panda, huddled alone in the corner of Shangyue Hole, quietly munching on bamboo. In its solitude, I cannot help but wonder if it's thinking of its mother.
Pandas are extremely cute, but frankly, after witnessing the quality of life and how they live, how people treat them, I'm kind of jealous of their life. Hopefully, all the gods in the world can reincarnate me to panda in my next life.
Just watching these pandas brings such a sense of calm. It's a feeling I want to hold on to, especially right now, as I have to say goodbye. Goodbye to the incredible energy of Chengdu, and a special, difficult goodbye to my cousin. In this city, and sharing everything with you has been unforgettable. Before we go, let's just take a quiet moment together to simply watch and appreciate the peaceful, simple life of this beautiful creature.
We have finished this amazing trip in Chengdu. We have spent 3 days in this beautiful city. Thank you guys for watching the whole video, and thank you guys for your support. If you guys really like me, y'all, please hit the subscription button, y'all. Please subscribe. I'm begging you guys. Please subscribe. And see you. Bye-bye.